Hello. I would like to show you how to show this data analysis icon on Excel. Sometimes if you do not um, deliberately um, click something on file, the data analysis on the data option here is not showing up. So what you need to do is just click file, all right, and go to option, okay, and then go to add-ins and click go, and you just like hit these two buttons and then hit OK. When you do that, the data analysis will appear here. So one more one more time, file, all right, option, and then go to add-in, then go, and then click these two options, and then OK. The data analysis will be there. All right. Thank you so much. Bye.